on Unboxing Pez, the Wawa truck.
Be sure to subscribe and click that notification bell.
Hello, Pezzers! Today we have a box. Let's find out what's inside this box. Inside the box is paper. Lots of paper. What's inside this paper? Let's find out. Ah, the Wawa truck. Let's get this out of the way. The Wawa truck. On the card that says collect them all. That's right, collect them all. You want to get all the Pez, don't you? Collect them. Okay, thank you, Tatey. So here's the Pez truck. It comes with 3 packs of candy. Grape, strawberry, and raspberry. Pez, the greatest candy in the world. Let's get to this, shall we? Now sometimes when you open these cards, they can be really hard. And other times they can be really easy. So what I like to do is find the corners and pull the paper back. And sometimes it pulls enough back. And this time it's not going to work, see? Sometimes it makes it real thin and you can just go through it. So then we're going to try at another corner. Nope, same problem here. But it's thin enough that we can do that and get underneath that cardboard. And just peel it back. And there we go. Wawa truck and the Pez. Pez candies. These are great. I love the new packaging with the little character on it. Fantastic. So, anyways, here's the Wawa truck. Notice the wheels roll. This is the newest one. So you pull it out here to load it. And it says Pez. I don't know if there's a patent date. Sure there is. US patent 7.5. I don't know if you can see it. There we go. Part of the Big Rigs collection. The Wawa truck. Wawa tanker truck. Fill me with Pez and play with me.
Check it out! We're on Instagram and Facebook!
Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.
I'm gonna do this contest. I don't know if I should or not. Anyways, here they are.
Ta-da!
It's the entire set of Masters of the Universe. Just leave a comment. We'll randomly select someone after we get to 25 comments.
Tatey!
Official notice. This is a call for artwork.
Send us your artwork and we'll hang it on our fridge. No, really, on the fridge. We love it and treasure it, and we'll showcase it in an upcoming episode.